Hey, what's up, guys? Is your Nissan the AC climate doesn't work? Like when you turn the AC off and the blower is still working, and you're trying to put it down a little bit, not working. Let me show you. This is my Armada. See? Now I have air, AC work. Trying to put it down. Nothing it changed. Still high. Turn it off. See what? Still working. You know what the problem is? Let me turn it off and see. The problem is here. If you go on the passenger side, just remove this cover. It's too flat. You can move it with your nail. Go down here. This is the old one. I just put it back in to show you what's the problem. This is a resistor. It's gonna be up here. I've already put the new one right there. Just 2 bolts. Oh. Let me put the phone down for a little bit. I took the old one off. I put the new one in. Right there. Let's go back again and see. Now you turn it on again. Okay. Here, no air right now. It's off. Now you hit the auto. Blowing right now. I'm gonna turn it down. I don't know if you can hear the air goes down. Up. Turn it off again. Now no air. So the problem was the resistor. Thanks for watching, guys.